This is the ForgeFix Lightning Bolt, the elite performance multi-substrate fixing, which thanks to its intelligent design and use of advanced manufacturing techniques sets a new standard for versatility and performance. Quick and easy to install, the ForgeFix Lightning Bolt does not rely on expansion to create a firm fixing. Instead, simply drill a hole into the substrate using the recommended bit size and then screw the fixing directly into the hole, even through multiple substrates. All this means less time on marking up and repositioning, making the ForgeFix Lightning Bolt perfect for repetitive fixing installations. Because it does not rely on expansion to create a firm fixing, the Lightning Bolt is far less likely to damage the substrate even when fixing close to the edge. Easily removed, the ForgeFix Lightning Bolt can be used as a temporary fixing and then reused again and again, making this a truly multifunctional fixing. Once installed, the ForgeFix Lightning Bolt will continue to outperform its rivals. Its innovative interlocking thread enables it to grip a substrate along the entire thread length. This makes it particularly suitable for fixing into those substrates that may have hollow areas, such as some types of concrete block and hollow bricks, whilst delivering high load capacities compared to other similar fixings. Thanks to its high performance Elementec 1000 coating, this product is one of the few fixings suitable for both interior and exterior applications. In fact, Elementec offers superior protection up to 10 times that of a standard zinc coating. Lightning bolts are available in a choice of 3 head designs and 2 packaging formats. We believe the ForgeFix Lightning Bolt is the only heavy-duty fixing you will ever need.